In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture Discord audio in Nvidia Shadowplay, separate game plus Discord audio, advanced. Before we start, a quick reality check. Shadowplay can't natively split Discord and game audio into separate tracks in the recording. What we're doing here is using Voicemeeter Banana to route and control game and Discord on separate paths before they hit Shadowplay, so you can monitor and balance them independently and send a clean, intentional mix into your capture. This is an advanced workflow aimed at content creators who want more control without switching recorders. You'll need Voicemeeter Banana, which is free, and Nvidia Shadowplay installed and ready to go. Once that's set, make Voicemeeter your default audio output in Windows. Open your Windows sound settings, choose the default output device, and select Voicemeeter input. From now on, games and most apps will feed into Voicemeeter first instead of going straight to your headphones or speakers. That's the foundation of the routing. Now, open Voicemeeter. You'll see hardware outputs labeled A1 and A2. Think of these as your two separate lanes. Assign A1 to the device you use to listen while playing, like your headphones. Assign A2 to another output you want to dedicate for chat, or simply keep it as a second lane you control separately. With that in place, route your game audio to A1. Because Windows is now pointed at Voicemeeter, your game lands on a Voicemeeter input strip. Enable A1 on that strip so the game goes to your main listening device, and leave A2 off there so it stays isolated from your chat lane. Next, route Discord to A2. In Discord's audio settings, set its output to a Voicemeeter input that is separate from your games. Back in Voicemeeter, enable A2 on the Discord strip and leave A1 off. Now game lives on A1, Discord lives on A2, and you can adjust each with its own fader without them stepping on each other. Shadowplay will record the Voicemeeter output, which means whatever mix you create in Voicemeeter is what ends up in your capture. Do a quick test, start a game, hop into a voice call, watch the meters in Voicemeeter, and balance the levels to taste. If something sounds doubled or echoey, check that each source is only being sent to the bus you intend. Remember, the recording will still be a single audio track, but you're shaping that track cleanly with separate control over game and Discord before it's captured.